Hello students, this video deals with a very important topic of biology known as homeostasis. You can remember this word by this diagram of balance. The balance inside of a living organism is known as homeostasis. Now let's see the definition of homeostasis. It's the maintenance of internal conditions in a cell or an organism by means of self-regulation mechanism, or the protection of internal environment of an organism from the harms of fluctuations taking place in an external environment is termed as homeostasis. Now let's see the importance of homeostasis. The homeostasis keeps the internal fluctuations in a narrow range with various control systems compared to wider external environment. And homeostasis, it's the central requirement in the maintenance of an organism, which compels the adaptations in the constant changing conditions and contributes in evolutionary processes. Now, students, the most susceptible components of internal environment that may be affected by fluctuations in external environment are solutes, water, and temperature. Now, students, solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solvent to make a solution. For example, you can consider these particles as salt particles. They are dissolved in water. So, water is the solvent, and the salt particles are the solute to make the salt solution. Homeostasis is achieved by osmoregulation, excretion, and thermoregulation. The mechanism of regulation of solute and the gain and loss of water between organism and its environment is known as osmoregulation, or the maintenance of proper internal salt and water concentrations in a cell or in the body of a living organism within narrow range is known as osmoregulation. Now, excretion is another process by which homeostasis is achieved. You must know the mechanism which eliminate wastes, especially nitrogenous wastes, are referred as excretion. And elimination of harmful nitrogenous wastes depends upon the availability of water. Now, the third process by which homeostasis is achieved is known as thermoregulation. Students, maintenance of internal temperature within a tolerable range is designated as thermoregulation. In humans, the temperature is maintained between 36.1 to 37.8 degrees Celsius. External environment and its components fluctuate continuously. The organism resists and manages these changes by making adjustments to keep its internal fluctuations within a narrow range. In this way, they protect the internal environment from the harms of the fluctuations. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.